Choosing a title for your post. Okay, so now it's time to create a new post, and the first thing we need to decide is what is the title of this post going to be. Well, keep in mind that a good title is descriptive. Of course, your title is going to be displayed across your blog. People could be reading one post, and ideally they'll see the title for your most recent post. So you want to make sure that it's descriptive. Think of it kind of like a newspaper, and you see the headline on the top. If a newspaper's done its job, then the headline is it's really good. It's descriptive of what the story is about, because if you give one headline just to catch people's attention and then the actual content doesn't match it, people are going to be mad. Don't be misleading. A good title is also researched. I talked earlier about keyword research. Let's go back to that here. And we had found that there's some good keywords here to be targeting. I want to suggest that you just don't start creating post titles out of thin air. To research them first, to discover what types of keyword terms you can go going after. For example, if I wouldn't have known any better, I could have just created a post on embroidered hats. Well, the thing is, if you remember from our research, just embroidered hats would have been very difficult to rank for. But if I put a custom in front of it, then it becomes a lot easier and more of a chance that I'll be able to rank for this phrase. So keep that in mind. You want to make sure that your title is enticing. For example, let's say that you're reviewing a product. You see this online all the time. A boring title would be something like, a review of the new blah blah blah. It's not very exciting. However, if your title is something like, don't purchase such and such until you read this review, or is such and such a scam, read this review to find out. Something like that grabs people's attention, and the idea here is that you only have a sentence to get people to read more, so you want to make it as enticing as you can. You also don't want to stuff your title. What this means is, if you are targeting a keyword phrase such as custom embroidered hats, you would not want your title to be something like, custom embroidered hats. Learn more about custom embroidered hats in this post about custom embroidered hats. You can see how I used the keyword phrase there 3 times. That is known as stuffing, and the reason that some people still do it is because it did work quite well a long time ago, but it does not work anymore. In fact, it can hurt you. So I going to strongly suggest that you don't do that. Okay, so let's then go ahead and create a new post. I'm going to go over here to post and click add new. And this is where the title goes. So I'm going to go ahead and come up with a good title, and I will see you in the next video.